So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix the display screen looking yellowish on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Now for easier understanding, what I have done is I have placed two phones side to side and you can see how the one to the right, which is a Samsung M51, and the one to the left, which is a Samsung M30s, are quite different as far as the display screens are concerned. Now let me make this even more clear. I just brought open like the settings panel and you can see one side of the screen is pretty yellow and one side is pretty white. Now if this is happening to you, it's quite possible that the blue light filter may have turned on by mistake, or it's also called as eye comfort shield in certain cases. So just go ahead and just turn that off and you will get back to your the normal whitish appearance. Now depending on the mobile that you have, the make that you have, this may be referred to as the blue light filter or as the eye comfort shield. Now if you remove that, you will see that the display is back to the normal white. Now it's also quite possible that sometimes we raise the level of brightness, or reduce it to levels wherein it's not exactly white. So just go ahead and play around with this and hopefully it should be done. Now I do understand this is this is a bit disturbing for a few people. Wherein the display appears to be yellowish and they want it to be white, and they often wonder whether it's something to do with the display gone wrong or something, and it happens to be a very simple fix wherein it's simply the blue light filter that's been turned on by mistake. So go ahead and do this, and like I said, if you turn on the blue light filter, it will have this yellowish appearance. If you turn it off, it becomes white. The same thing, blue light filter in certain phones is also called as the eye comfort shield, and you turn it on, it becomes yellowish. If you turn it off, it becomes whitish. So if your display has something like a yellow kind of appearance, just go ahead and check whether playing around or toggling off the blue light filter actually helps your case. Also go around and play with the adaptive brightness levels. So that should be all for today guys. I hope that this really helps in fixing your yellow screen appearances on your Samsung Galaxy. If it does, kindly consider subscribing and please do share this with your friends and family. A comment in the comment section really makes my day, and also please do put it on social handles like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, something like that, because the more you share, the more it reaches to new audiences who might find themselves in similar need. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.